am on the writer and I'm here at the airport and Rivaldo and Dunga is in the building. Brazilian All-Stars versus the Jamaican All-Stars, the Legends match tomorrow at Stadium.
Along with your friends once more.
Você se sente jogando esse jogo da amizade aqui em Jamaica?
Estou muito feliz, é a primeira vez que eu estou aqui na Jamaica, um país maravilhoso, onde gostam muito do futebol e incluso o futebol brasileiro. Eu estou muito feliz em fazer parte desse jogo e que a gente faça realmente fazer a alegria de todo o povo jamaicano.
He's very happy to be here. This is the first time he's come to Jamaica, and he hopes to enjoy this game with the whole people from Jamaica.
Seeing his teammates from the past, what does it feel like to be knowing that he'll be suiting up with them again?
Você se juntar com esse mesmo pessoal já dos tempos atrás, como é que você está se sentindo sobre isso?
Não, fantástico, né? Sempre que a gente se reúne, que um Dunga, Rivaldo, que foi campeão do mundo junto comigo, é fantástico. E a gente se sente feliz porque a gente revive um pouco como se fosse um jogador real, né?
For him, it's in one word, this is fantastic, because he can feel again the same atmosphere what he's feeling when he's playing as well. He's a starter now, but he's feeling like playing again.
And Brazil has a large following in Jamaica. It's like almost a religion status. How do you feel knowing that when you come to the stadium, they'll be supporting both the home team and the away team tomorrow?
Os jamaicanos, eles admiram muito os brasileiros aqui. E como é que você se sente entrando num lugar em que as pessoas admiram demais vocês lá dentro da campo?
A gente fica feliz sabendo que não só nós, ex-jogadores, mas o futebol brasileiro serve de inspiração para outros países. E o que a gente espera é que nesse jogo possa realmente inspirar todos os jamaicanos a jogarem futebol a cada dia mais.
Of course, he feels so much happy to be here, and he's knowing Brazilian soccer inspires many people around the world, and he wants to give to the same inspired for everyone here, though.
You played Jamaica in a friendly in 2003, and you won again 1-0. Some of those players will be playing again tomorrow night. What are you expecting from them? What kind of game are you expecting from them?
Você jogou uma vez contra a Jamaica em 2003. O que você pensa? O que você espera desse jogo de novo aqui agora? Vocês jogaram e ganharam, e agora?
Jogamos um jogo na Inglaterra, né? Foi em Birmingham, né? Um jogo e eu acho que o jogo agora são os veteranos, né? Não é aquela época, é alto nível, seleção brasileira, preparação para a Copa, é totalmente diferente. Mas aquilo que eu disse, né? O futebol jamaicano tem uma proximidade muito com o futebol brasileiro e a gente fica feliz de poder realmente passar a nossa experiência aqui de ex-atleta e também agora em outras ações também.
Of course, now it's another level. The first time in 2003, it's at a high level. We must be from one World Cup to that, but the atmosphere is the same happiness, and he's very, very happy to be here, to feel the same one, and to share this kind of experience of him and this kind of game with the whole people from Jamaica. Right.
From Yard Reviews, Just Bus TV, and I'm here with
Andre Virtue, Ballers International.
All right. Now we have a very big game tomorrow at the stadium. Jamaican legends, Brazilian legends, all-star match. How you feel about it? Tell us a little about the event tomorrow.
Well, pretty excited. Grew up watching Brazil. Love the country, love the way they play football, and I know as Jamaicans we also do. So we dream about an opportunity, and here comes an opportunity for us. I mean, up to this point, you never know what would happen, but now the players are here, they are landed. All the doubt has now been passed. Dunga is here, Rivaldo is here, Ed Milson is here, Zach Carlos is here, and we're looking forward for an amazing night. I mean, the Jamaican team has so many of the players that we grew up watching as well, and they made history, so they are our heroes. and to put the legends and the heroes together is going to be an evening of fun, excitement, and we're calling it share the love. In the society now, there's a lot of crime, a lot of violence, and football is one of those powerful tools that if you bring it together, it draws people together, it brings down the crime, the violence, and so I think it's a very, very important time to share the love for the game, the love for each other, love for our country, and the love for the football.
You made a point that is very important, where you said that Jamaicans love Brazilian football. You might even find that Jamaicans try to emulate the Brazilian style. Do you think that a match like this can help to influence the current crop of football players in Jamaica?
It's a very good question. I mean, complementing the Jamaican All-Stars or the heroes are some local younger players, which are players who just came out of the Manning Cup, or youth players, and it's really about the future and them. So we have Alex Marshall, we have Chevon Stewart, we have Gregory Messam Jr., we have Malik Howell from Jamaica College, we have Duhaney Williams, the MVP of the Manning Cup, will be here. So when you think about that, you think about the future of our football, and we want to inspire them. There's greatness in our young people, and we want them to inspire. And it's moments like this that inspires a nation, inspires a people. And we hope that everyone, not just the players, but the country, can see that these are world greats that are before us, and we can touch them, we can see them with our own eyes, not on a television, but up front and personal. So it can inspire that anybody would dream. If you think about the stories of the Brazilians and even our Jamaicans, where they started and where they are now, is a story that can inspire greatness in our people.
Other than the game itself, is there anything else that they will be doing while they're here, the Brazilians? I mean,
sure, we are going down to Southside. One of the things on all of these tours is that they want to give back. So we're going to the community of Southside, partnering with Whole Life Sports and City Life Ministries, and we're going to break ground on a AstroTurf field that we're going to be installing there. A very small one, but we're going to do that, followed by a walk in the community, and then we're going to have a clinic at Breezy Castle. And the intention is that in every community we believe there needs to be green space. We need to be playing, and so we're going to do the little that we can, and we're hoping that it will spur on greater interest by private sectors to get involved, to see that in more communities, more lives can be touched with the sport of football.
All right, that's very good. And one more question that I wanted to ask was, we're seeing something of a revamping of the national team. I mean, we won a game against Honduras. Unfortunately, we lost 1-0 to USA, but I still think it was a strong showing. Local footballers, younger footballers. What do you think about the status or where Jamaican football is right now?
Well, you know, when your back is against the wall, we have to fight. And I think, you know, we've gone through a very, very difficult period from the '98 World Cup. People are expecting a lot more. But I'm very optimistic. I'm optimistic if we put the youth first, if we begin to have a philosophy about our game, and to see ourselves as world beaters, not just in track and field and in the past like in West Indies cricket, but our football needs to get back up there. And I think if we come together as a country, invest in our youth, in our facilities, in our young people, and our coaches, I have no doubt that our football will get to a place where it was in '98, but more consistently. And we believe that that will happen. We just have to put our best foot forward and come together as a nation. It can't be divided. We're too divided as a country, and we need to come together, and I think this will make that possible.
All right, that's very good. Any last words about Ballers? Anything? Just
Ballers changing the world one goal at a time.
All right, thank you very much. We have met some of the Brazilian legends, including Rivaldo and Edmilson we see over there. Got to speak to one of them. Looking forward to a very exciting game tomorrow. Come out in your numbers. Jamaica All-Stars versus Brazilian All-Stars. It's a legend affair. Should be good. Yard Reviews was here. Just Bus TV.